there we go. Pleasure trail.
Designed for your pleasure.
All right. Oh. Huh? I like the one you had to jump over the big root there. Yeah. Pardon?
Now prepare for some more jank. Oh, it's way drier now. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Huh? I stayed. This is all kind of a little rock kind of drop thing, but it's nice run out, just goes.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, it rolls so good.
And now you can go up here and take a look at this one from this angle.
Oh my God, that's so smooth. Not even as janky as that last one. Yeah.
I've only ridden it twice, I can't give you a full-on detail.
This is a keep Squamish janky trail. Hey?
Just you want to watch your speed on this, hey? Because it's slippery. And then you got a nice little roll here. This is awesome, smooth. Woohoo!
Now what? Oh! Woo! Oh, that's cool! Nice. Now what's up, Jaime? Oh, that was good.
Okay, so it's an easy line.
Oh, you're good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no. Ooh, that's freaking jank.
Yeah. That line.
And then to the left, if you can make it. Yeah. There you go.
There you go.
That's really janky, Jane. He went through the hole. I went high.
I haven't taken that line yet.
Where does it go?
Foster went that line. They both join up together.
Which one's What do you like?
I don't know. I've only done that line of one.
Okay, you go left, I'll go right. Whoa!
It's a little greasy in there, eh? Is that fun?
Oh, rodeo!
Turn the camera back on.
Sorry. There? You're not doing it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. No. Now go. Lunge. There you go. Yeah.
Yep, no problem. Woohoo!
Right down the center of it. Right down the center. Yeah. Oh, that is the coolest of stuff ever. Oh my God. How? Using all my travel. Oh, gap jump. Oh, I ain't making it up that. Next rock what?
Next drop.
Oh, yeah. He went so fast. You. Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Oh, that's slick. And that's it, I think. Yeah. Oh, that was so fun. That is so good.
I know, I went down in that corner back there. I had to go back and do it again.
Oh, you crashed?
Did you take a couple tries like I did?
No, I made it for.
Oh, dude. I shouldn't have taken it off. I should have just like spun it around and grabbed stuff out.
All right, that's my new favorite Squamish trail.
Sitting on the ground and
It's sitting on that.
You ride that?
Yeah,
Platform.
every bit.
Good.
Every bit of it. I didn't.
Well done.
Yeah, Jamie wiped out.